Hey there. So, have you ever been typing up a document or a YouTube description and you wish you could easily bring up some emojis, pop some emojis in there without having to search for symbols or how to do an emoji really quick? Well, I'm surprised that I didn't know this until recently, and something's making noise here. Anyway, you can easily bring up an emoji panel and insert an emoji like that. So today I'm going to quickly show you how to bring up the emoji panel in Windows 11. And by the way, this will work in Windows 11 and Windows 10 and on a Mac. I'm not sure about prior versions of Windows prior to Windows 10. There may be some other ways to find emojis that way. But let me switch screens here, and I've got a kind of a mock video. I'll show it to you how I'm going to add emoji to my YouTube video. So let's switch the screen here. Here we go. All right, here's an emoji video test. Basically, you kind of just pick where you want your emoji to go. Let's just do it in different areas. So I'm going to put my cursor right here in the title, and then I'm going to push. This is how you bring up the emoji panel. On the keyboard, you click the Windows key simultaneously with period. So I'm going to do it here, there, and there you go. Here it is. Isn't that great? So as you can see, my cursor is still there where I want to find emoji. So I have a little guitar emoji here. All you have to do is click on the emoji, or let's get a smiley face there, or that kind of face. And you can search. You have GIFs or GIFs. How do we call them? And you got your smiley faces. There's a whole panel of things here. Other types of emojis, little shapes and objects. Food, all kinds of emoji stuff to add. Pretzels, pizza, hamburger. So anyway, so I'm going to move down to this area in the description, and let's bring that up again. Start, period, and let's put in a happy face and a guitar. Let's move this out of the way, and you can easily move this panel out of the way. And there you have it. See right there. I'll type in here. Look at these emojis. And let's add another one. Start, period, brings up the emojis. And let's try searching for an emoji. Let's do happy, whoops. Let's see if I can type. Happy face. Maybe not, just happy. There we go. Several different, there you got all these different emojis. You got that person, you got the happy face. Let's try drum. There you go, look at that, drum. And it looks like a drumstick right there, or poultry leg. Anyway, so there you have it. Again, in Windows, all you have to do is push the Windows key. On some keyboards, you won't have the Windows icon key. You'll have the Start key. Same thing. So Windows key or Start key simultaneously with period key. And then that pops it up. If you're on a Mac, it's also very simple. All you do is push Control, Command, and Space keys. There you go. And the emoji panel will come up. And there you have it. Now you can add emojis to documents, emails, YouTube descriptions for your videos, and really any social media. Anyway, I hope that helped, and I will see you next time in the Riopelle Room. Bye, Roomie.